We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we're looking for buy and we discussed about the different possibility, and this is what we get. Anyway, whoever get the trade from here, they should start to manage, and having entry above the top, we mentioned it depends on the traders. We didn't add in our analysis. Anyway, even if anyone get the trade by having entry above the top, if we zoom in, all right, they shouldn't tag the price shouldn't tag. That means they shouldn't be within the trade. And even if the price tag they are in the trade, they had a 3 hours to take out the trade. Anyway, we having a trade above the top. We didn't add in our analysis, and we mentioned it depends on the traders. And as I mentioned, as we can see, the price couldn't tag, and even if the price tag, when they see 3 hours, the price is not moving. Every time we mention if we wants to have entry above the top, the first hour we see is there is no movement. We take out the trade, and the maximum we cannot keep it for more than 2 hours. And even if we wants to look for trade by having entry above the top, we wants the sharp move. What we have here is not the really sharp move, it's a corrective move. That's why no one should be in the trade by having entry above the top. And no one see what's the next. All right. As you can see, we don't need these lines anymore. And we want to see how we can look at the chart. If the price haven't break the top, that's why if we wants to refer to the indicators again, I show like we can that is like depends on the traders right now because the price haven't tagged the top. If we wants to look for the divergence, because if we consider the price break the top, we can look for divergence, but as what we can see here, the price haven't tagged yet. We have seen this kind of the cases many times. That's mean we can look for divergence. We consider we have the divergence, and the best things if this one give us one more drop, we can look for this one as a flat. All right. Anyway, we want to see how we can look for trade. First, we move to daily chart. We want to see whether we can get the reversal. We have nothing to discuss. And if you move to forward chart, the only thing is if we wants to buy at the top, we should know about the bigger picture. This one turned to a bigger correction, which most of the charts we have it. What I want to highlight here, whoever get the trade within this, if they still they keep the trade, they should start to book profits in case this one turn to a flat for one more drop or deeper correction. Okay. Anyway, we don't have any indication that the based on forward chart that confirm the price can drop, but we have to manage those traders. They keep the trade. And if I move to 1 hour chart, if I wants to look for buy, right now we can look at this one as a small correction of flag for buy. If we wants to trade, the only way is having entry above this. Okay, but the best things is if this one drops some more, we look for this as a running flat. Then if we get any reversal from there, we can look for buy. This is the best things. Anyway, we don't have any trade set up. The only things is right now we're looking at this. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.